Hi guys, this is Steve Goshen from Goshen Crypto and Arbitrage Trading Platform. Now I want to head on to my Binance. This is my Binance, you can see. I'm trying to log into my Binance now. So today I'll be showing you how to maximize launch pool on Binance. So there's a launch pool recently going on Binance now. I want to show you how to stake your BNB and farm the new coin that is about to be launched by Binance. I'll show you now. And you stake your BNB for around 20 days. It has started yesterday, so we are 1 day behind. So you need to stake your get BNB now. It's even cheap now. Then you stake it and farm Neutron. That's the coin. That's the name of the new coin. So I'm on my Binance now. This is my Binance. So when you get to your home page, you can see I'm on the home page now. So you come down. Network is a bit bad. So you come down. You see this campaign. You see this campaign here, this particular NTRN, that's Neutron. So you click Neutron, you bring it back, you click Neutron. So when you click Neutron, it's loading. Okay, you can see this is it. On the announcement page, you can see Binance say introducing Neutron on Binance launch pool. Farm Neutron by staking BNB, TUSD, and FDUSD. Now, I would advise you to stake BNB because this is what you get from it. Now stake BNB web page will be available in around 4 hours. So it has started already, I can tell you that. So the amount of reward for those who are going to stake USD is BNB is 80%. Now if you are going to stake TUSD, that's tossed, you're going to get 10% of the launch pool profit of the farming profit. And if you're going to stake FDUSD, you're going to get another 10%. So it is better to stake what? BNB. You know, BNB is a native coin of Binance Exchange. So you stake BNB to get more profit. So let's click on stake BNB. Remember, from your home page, you scroll down, then you go to announcement. You see the announcement, the campaign, the NTRN Neutron. Now you can see that the time for farming has started already. So we have 19 days. 8 hours, 43 minutes until the end of the farming. Now the name of the coin that will be launched is what? That is in this launch pool is what? Neutron. It has been launched already. So now if you want to stake BNB, you click here. For Toast, you click this particular place. For FUSD, you click this particular place. Now I will advise you to stake BNB. So if you don't have BNB, you go to spot, get BNB and stake. So this is how to go about it. So I'm going to be showing you how to stake BNB now because it has 80% of the reward. Now you come to this place. If you have an available BNB to show here, then you just, if you don't have, you come to buy and buy. You can use your USDT to buy BNB and then you stake. Then as the day go on, you'll be seeing your total reward here. You can see, and you'll be seeing unclaimed reward here. Once this particular launch pool is over after 20 days, that automatically your capital will be restored back to your spot wallet in BNB, and your Neutron that has been farmed with your stake BNB will be released to you immediately. I hope you get this. So it is time. This is how to participate in Binance launch pool. It has just started within some few hours, so you can start farming using your what? BNB. Now you can start farming using your what? BNB now. Now take advantage of this. Now I'll give you another. I will show you another advantage. Now at this moment, BNB for staking using BNB, you still have an advantage. Now let's go back to the home page. So I will show you what BNB is currently trading on the spot market now. Okay, going back to the home page. Network is bad. So this is Binance 38 launch pool. Now this is the farming period, 20 days. It has started already. You can see we have just 19 days, 8 hours remaining. Okay. Okay, we are now back on our home page. You can see to recap, when you come to the home page, you see this is the home page. You scroll down where you see this Binance feed. By the way, I'm a creator on Binance feed. You come to this campaign, you click it, this particular one here, you click it and you get to stake your BNB. Now let's check the price of BNB now on spot. Now you can see the price of BNB is 206. I can bet you that you can buy. Now is a good time to buy BNB, because if you buy BNB now at 206, maybe after the farming period, after 20 days, BNB will be about 230, 215, and you'll be giving your same amount of BNB, and at that time it has the price, the amount would have increased. So it's a good time. And if you want to buy that, you come to trade. Right now you can buy it now. It's still better to buy it now and stake it. It's two-way win. And you come to this particular spot, you come to this place, you have to change it to BNB USDT. So it's searching. The network is a bit slow. So kindly like our channel, subscribe to our channel, like the videos and share the videos, allow others to also benefit. So you come to BNB, you select BNB. Now after you've done that, you see you come to market order, then you just click total amount of a USDT. You just put your amount that you want to buy. Let's say you want to buy 100 USDT worth of BNB. Then you click on buy. Then when you click on buy, then you can now go to your home page. You come down to this campaign, you scroll down this campaign, you click here and stake your BNB. So right now, support us by subscribing to this channel. Hit the subscribe button, hit notification button for any update. So enjoy the Binance launch pool for the next 20 days and make your money. Thank you.